Hi there, another episode of Jana Eats. I'm going to be making a beautiful salad, and as usual, everything on this channel is gluten and dairy free. And this is definitely one of my favorite salads. In the wintertime, citrus is everywhere, and so I like to take advantage of that. And this salad comes together so quickly and so easily, and it is delicious. So you're going to need any kind of citrus. Now, these are caracaras. They're such a beautiful color, you'll see. Sometimes I'll do caracara with a blood orange and a navel orange as well. But right now, I just went through my fridge. I had some caracaras. That's what we're going to do today. So I am going to, and then the other thing you'll need is a red onion. You'll also need some Kalamata olives. I get them already pitted. And then I slice them. And then some arugula. Arugula, I've got microgreens in my fridge and some bulk arugula, so that's what we're going to use today. Now, the base, now this is one of my salad secrets. I usually put a little bit of dressing on the bottom of the bowl or the plate. The other thing too with salads, I don't like those deep wooden salad bowls. Why? Because all the goodies you put on top go to the bottom of the bowl, and then the last person that gets the salad gets all the good parts, right? So I like a little shallow bowl or vessel for salads. But anyway, we're gonna put a little bit of this olive oil on the bottom. This is a local olive oil from Maui, and boy is it good. And then I'm going to do some balsamic vinegar. This is a very good brand, by the way, and they've got a couple grades of this. This is the less expensive one, and it's really good. So just put a little balsamic vinegar on the plate. Now the other thing too is we're going to put a little salt. Not much, just a little. Then we'll put the arugula on the bottom. Right. There we go. Good, use it up, right? Don't waste your food. Hashtag zero food waste. So I'm gonna peel the onion. I sliced off both ends. It makes it a little more stable. I'll lightly run my knife over the edge of the onion and just peel off the paper. Another little handy tool, and you can find these little mini mandolins at Ross or TJ Maxx. You can also order them online. This is an OXO? How do you say that? OXO. You know what I'm talking about. So this one's got, and be careful, these blades are sharp. So you've got lock and then different thicknesses, 1, 2, and 3. So I'm gonna do them paper thin. And I like the red onion because I like the color. It is a little more intense an onion than maybe your sweet Vidalias or your Maui's or things like that. So I'm just gonna take it, and I don't need much. So I'm just gonna run this. See how, look at that. Well, kind of look at that. Did it. So we're going to take the onion shavings and just sprinkle them over the salad. Oh, it's pretty already. Kind of looks like a little Easter egg nest. Okay, done with that. Done with my onion. Put it over here. The next thing, we're going to peel us some orange. So cut off the top and the bottom and just run your knife. And remember, it's a round sphere, so don't go straight, because you want to try to, you want the white part off. That pith can be a little bitter, pithy. So you're just going to run your knife over, and get some of the white off. There we go. And then you're just going to cut some rounds. Sometimes for a snack, I'll do this because I love a peeled orange. and it makes it so easy to eat, right? Do another one. I'm probably only going to need 2 for this size platter. But again, you know, depending on how many people, this will easily be enough for 4 people. So, to give you some idea. And I've served this salad to people that aren't big salad eaters, and they've gobbled it up. Right, Quentin? You know I'm talking about you. You love this salad. My friend Quentin loves this salad. And there we go. Right on top. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, if you want, which I think I want, I'm going to do a little bit more onion on top just for visual effect. So you just shave that off. Sprinkle, sprinkle. And then you're going to take your Kalamata olives, and again, these are pitted. It's key. You're just going to slice up some olives. Sometimes you can put 2 next to each other and do 2 at once. Just be careful of your little fingies. Oops, just threw one on the floor, sacrificed one to the floor gods. That happens, right? Too bad I don't have a little crazy olive-loving dog. The dog would come gobble that thing up. My little dog wasn't much of a chow hound. She was a self-feeder. Her name was Lena. I miss her. She liked a good steak bone, that one. So, that's probably good. Then you're just going to put a little more oil on top of the salad. Make sure it's good olive oil too. Did you hear about that olive oil scandal? Like, they started testing olive oil. It said it was from Greece or Spain or Italy, and it wasn't. And sometimes it wasn't even olive oil. Yikes, right? So a little more balsamic vinegar over the top, just a little zhuzh, and a little more salt. Maldon would be really good on this. Just a touch. A little touch of salt with something sweet like that orange brings out the sweetness of the oranges. And then we're going to take microgreens. Microgreens are the bomb. Like, in that little plant is packed with nutrition. They say it's so much more nutritive than the big plant. Anyway, so we're going to put some micros over the top. Oh. Yeah. Done. Now, how hard was that? Not very, was it? And I am telling you, you want to see my reaction? I'm going to eat this. It's so fresh and so delicious. I'm just going to take a bite. Make sure you get a bite of everything on there. And I mean it. So let's put that there. I love it. I love that flavor combo. And make it ahead. It doesn't have to be super cold. I mean, don't make it 4 hours ahead of time, but you can make it, let it sit out, because citrus is so delicious at room temperature. Anyway, get your salad on. Let me know how you like it. Sorry. I probably have arugula and microgreens in my teeth, but I don't care right now. I want you to all come back next week and come see me for another episode of Jana Eats. Gluten, dairy-free, #food for all. Thanks for tuning in. I really, really appreciate it. Thanks. See you soon.